Okay, so while everybody is out here stressing about gas prices, supply chain issues, and the economy, Toyota just walked into the room, dropped this thing on the table, and said, deal with it. This is not a concept. This is not a render. This is real. And there is one thing about this truck that no other Toyota truck has ever had before, ever. Stay till the end of this video because I am going to reveal exactly what that is. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Today, we are getting up close and personal with a 2026 Toyota Thunder Peak 10x10 truck. And I am telling you right now, this thing is on a completely different level. So do not touch that skip button because what I am about to show you next is going to blow your mind. Let's start with the outside because the moment you see this truck pull up, everything else on the road just disappears. This thing is enormous. We are talking about a full military matte black body that looks like it was built for a mission, not a road trip. Now look at that front. That massive Toyota grille with the bold illuminated Toyota lettering stretching right across. That is a statement. The front lighting setup on this truck, we are talking multiple LED clusters, auxiliary pods, a full roof-mounted light bar running the entire length of this beast. And then you look down, 10 wheels, 5 on each side, 5 axles of pure ground crushing capability. These tires are not your regular off-road tires. These are massive military spec all-terrain tires with deep block tread that will go through anything. The outside is just the beginning. What is inside this truck is going to make your jaw drop. Stay with me. So, let's step inside, and the first thing that hits you is this does not feel like a truck. This feels like a luxury apartment that just happens to have 10 wheels. The interior is finished in dark walnut wood panels, hardwood flooring, and premium materials from one end to the other. On one side, you have got a full-size premium leather sofa, the kind you sink into after a long drive through the Blue Ridge Parkway, or a full day on the trails in Colorado. This is your living room on wheels, your comfort zone, no matter where you are in America. And right across from that, there is a proper queen-sized bed, the kind you actually want to sleep in after a long day on the road. And above that, a full bunk bed. So if you are rolling with the family or bringing the crew along, everybody has got a spot. Now do not go anywhere yet because the kitchen in this truck is something nobody talks about enough. We're talking a professional 8-burner gas cooktop, a full-size built-in oven, a full-size stainless steel refrigerator with a bottom freezer drawer and dark wood cabinetry throughout. And the bathroom. Yes, there is a full bathroom in this truck. A walk-in glass shower, a modern flush toilet, black slate tile walls. This is a 5-star hotel bathroom inside a truck. You never have to stop at a rest stop again, ever. Okay? But hold on, because we have not even talked about the cockpit yet, and this is where things get really serious. Slide up front into the driver's seat, and you will understand why this truck feels different from everything else. First, those seats fold diamond quilted black leather captain's chairs with the Thunder Peak TP badge embossed right on the headrest. Right in front of you is a flat-bottom Toyota steering wheel, leather-wrapped with white contrast stitching and full multi-function controls right at your fingertips. Media, navigation, driver assist, all of it without taking your hands off the wheel. Now look at that dashboard, that ultra-wide curved panoramic display screen stretching across the entire front of the cabin. It is showing you a full 3D satellite terrain navigation map in real time. Whether you are navigating through the canyons of Arizona or finding your way through the back roads of Tennessee, you always know exactly where you are going. And that gear shifter, that jewel-cut chrome shifter sitting on a polished octagonal base, looks like it belongs in a luxury sports car, not a 10-wheel truck. And right next to it, a large blue-lit wireless charging pad, so your phone is always powered up no matter how far off-road you go. Below the screen, you have got dual-zone automatic climate control, both sides independently controlled, keeping the cabin at exactly the temperature you want, whether you are in the Florida heat or the Montana cold. Now, let's talk about what is under the hood, because this truck did not get this big and this capable by running on a regular engine. The 2026 Toyota Thunder Peak 10x10 is powered by a heavy-duty turbocharged diesel engine, producing around 1,200 horsepower and a ground-shaking 2,1200 lb-5 of torque. That is the kind of power that makes this entire machine, all of its weight, all of its size, move with authority. Whether you are climbing the steep grades of the Sierra Nevada, hauling through the flatlands of Texas, or pushing through deep off-road terrain somewhere in Wyoming, this engine does not flinch. It does not hesitate. It just pulls. The 10x10 all-wheel drive system means every single one of those 10 wheels is powered and working together. Add in the heavy-duty suspension setup built to absorb the toughest terrain America has to offer, and you have got a truck that is as capable off the highway as it is on it. And honestly, who is this truck built for? This is for the person who does not want to choose between adventure and comfort. The Overlander who wants to go deep into the backcountry of Montana but still sleep in a real bed at night. The family that wants to road trip from California to the Florida Keys without stopping at a single hotel. The entrepreneur who works remotely and needs a mobile base that can go anywhere in the country. The off-road enthusiast who has already maxed out every other build on the market and needs something that takes it to the next level entirely. This is not just a truck. This is a lifestyle. This is freedom on 10 wheels. And Toyota just proved that nobody, and I mean nobody, is doing it like this right now. If you have made it this far in the video, I already know you are serious about this stuff. And that tells me you are exactly the kind of person who belongs in this community. So make sure you hit that like button right now. Drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this beast, and tell me where you are watching from. I want to know if we have got people watching from Texas, from California, from New York, from everywhere in between. And click on the video on your screen right now to explore more insane builds just like this one. We have got more beasts coming your way. We will see you in the next one.